I think someone's on our Wi-Fi.
I'll change the password.
Good thinking. Alright, printer's disconnected, so whoever's doing it can't waste any more ink.
Cool. And I'm almost... How do I change the Wi-Fi password?
Yeah, no.
This changes nothing.
I am scared.
You should be. Ha ha. I am hungry.
Hi. Hungry? I'm...
Feed me.
Okay, yeah, we can feed you. What do you like? We have, cereal, leftover pizza.
Pop-Tarts.
Magenta.
No, I think they're strawberry.
You like gumbo?
Magenta ink. Need magenta ink. I can't print.
What? You need ink? Didn't we just...
We filled up the black. That's all we need.
I can't print. Help.
We only print black and white. You don't need color.
I need color. In the black.
What? Why?
Better black.
That's a scam.